How to carry out a job search. Searching for a job can be a structured and strategic process that maximizes your chances of success. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the job search effectively. 1. Self-assessment. Start by evaluating your skills, interests, and career goals. Understand what kind of role you are looking for, what industries interest you, and what you can offer to potential employers. This clarity will guide your job search and help you target opportunities that align with your aspirations. 2. Research. Conduct thorough research on industries and companies that match your interests. Look for information about company culture, values, and recent developments. Websites like Glassdoor and LinkedIn are valuable resources for gaining insights into potential employers and networking with industry professionals. 3. Resume and cover letter. Prepare a well-crafted resume that highlights your relevant experience, skills, and achievements. Tailor your resume for each application to match the job description. Similarly, write a compelling cover letter that addresses the specific requirements of the job and showcases your enthusiasm for the role and company. 4. Networking. Networking is a crucial part of the job search process. Connect with professionals in your field through platforms like LinkedIn, attend industry events, and join relevant professional groups. Informational interviews can also provide valuable insights and open doors to job opportunities that may not be advertised. 5. Job search platforms. Utilize online job boards such as Indeed, Monster, and LinkedIn Jobs to find job listings. Set up job alerts to receive notifications about new openings that match your criteria. Explore company career pages directly, as some positions are posted exclusively on their websites. 6. Application process. Apply for jobs that closely match your skills and experience. Follow the application instructions carefully and submit all required documents. Keep a record of the positions you've applied for, along with the dates and any follow-up actions required. 7. Prepare for interviews. Once you start receiving interview invitations, prepare thoroughly. Research the company and the role, practice common interview questions, and prepare questions to ask the interviewer. Mock interviews with friends or mentors can help build confidence and improve your responses. 8. Follow-up. After interviews, send a thank you email to the interviewer expressing appreciation for the opportunity to interview and reiterate your interest in the position. This gesture not only shows professionalism, but also keeps you top of mind with the employer. 9. Evaluate offers. If you receive job offers, evaluate them carefully. Consider factors such as salary, benefits, company culture, work-life balance, and growth opportunities. It's important to choose a position that aligns with your career goals and personal values. 10. Stay positive and persistent. Job searching can be challenging and may take time. Stay positive, be persistent, and continue to refine your approach. Use any setbacks as learning experiences to improve your job search strategy. 11. Continuous learning. While searching for a job, consider enhancing your skills through online courses, workshops, or certifications. This not only improves your qualifications, but also demonstrates a commitment to professional development to potential employers. Conclusion. Carrying out a job search requires a combination of self-assessment, research, networking, and preparation. Approach your job search strategically and increase your chances of finding a role that fits your skills and career goals. Remember to stay adaptable, persistent, and open to new opportunities as you navigate the job market.